Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some summer glam DIYs prepared for you. They're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're ready to see what I have created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'll be starting off with this blue burlap ribbon, and it is from Dollar Tree. I'll also be using this mirrored Dollar Tree frame that I've had for some years. And I'm just going to hot glue on the burlap to the back of the frame. And actually, I'm going to be using 2 frames to create this DIY. Now I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree shells, and I'm just going to paint them gray with just some regular craft paint that I pick up from Walmart. Next, I'm going to be taking this very old napkin holder that I've had for such a long time, and I'm going to paint the base of it with that same gray paint. And guys, I forgot to mention that this napkin holder is actually just from the Dollar Tree. So you could probably still find this one or something similar to it at DT today. So now I'm just going to place a little bit of hot glue on the back side of the mirror and stick it to the napkin holder. Right here, I'm just going to place the glammed out seashell in the center of my napkin holder, and yeah. Next, I'll be using this Dollar Tree glass vase, and I'm just going to paint the inside blue. Next, I'll be using these gems that I had left over from a previous DIY. I'll be using this old pedestal that I had left over from a previous DIY. I'm just going to finish it up by adding some more of the bling strip that I used previously. Alright, so for my last DIY, I'm going to be using these 2 colors of blue, and I'm just going to be diluting each one in a different cup of water. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of that paint down onto my canvas. So right here you see me using a handheld pump to blow the paint around. Now you could use a hair dryer or something like that, but I just chose to use this little pump here. I'm going to be adding some iridescent fine glitter to the painting. I'm going to be adding this in a similar way as I did with the paint. So I'm going to dilute this in a mixture of Mod Podge and water, and then I'm going to use my handheld pump to spread it around. Right here you see me just cleaning up the painting by just going along and cleaning up around the sides with a brush. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to set this aside so that it can dry overnight, and then I'll begin on the next and final phase of the project. I'll be using this jumbo glitter, and I'm just going to brush it on with some Mod Podge. going in with this imitation silver leaf, and I picked this up from Amazon. If you guys need to purchase some, I will have a link below. It comes in a 3-pack with the colors silver, gold, and bronze. And so here's what it looks like. I really love it. What do you guys think? And let me know if you'll be trying this project for yourself or one of the other 2 that I showed you today. Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. I hope that you've enjoyed this little video because I really enjoy making it for you. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscription button as well as the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.